Welcome back. Now, when you open up a new or existing document, you're going to open up to the Home menu, which is going to be your default. And you'll recognize all of the text operations that you would in either PowerPoint or Excel or just about any other word processing software. So, for example, you'll be able to change the nature of the text by highlighting the text and clicking any of the buttons where you want to affect some change. For example, if you want to change the color of the text, you can do that. You want to change the nature of the text from normal to bold, you can do that. Clicking the button returns it to its original state. You can use italics, underline. You can also use strike through and then return it to its original state. You can work in the paragraph tab. This will change your justification. For example, if you want to center justify, you can do that. If you want to right justify, you can do that. Or if you want to even justify, you can do that. And one thing you can do in the clipboard tab is you can use the format painter. And for example, if we were to click this link that said format painter, we can then find an area of the text that we want to make look like the area we painted. And all we'll need to do is we'll need to then highlight that new area, release the mouse, and then you'll notice we were able to copy this same formatting over. Now, whenever we want to undo a command, the undo command is at the very top. All we'll need to do is to click this backwards arrow. We'll be able to go back to the way we were, and in fact, we can go back several steps by clicking this down arrow and then finding the place that we want to go back to at the very beginning. Now, you're likely very familiar with the editing tools such as Find and Find and Replace, as well as Select or Select All, where we can then make changes to the entire block of text at one time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.